There are several reasons why you should reinstall the Microsoft Store on your computer. For example, it could be because you have trouble installing apps, encounter cryptic error codes, or find the store itself missing. However, before you uninstall and reinstall the Microsoft Store, it's best to clear the program's cache, and then reset and repair the program. It's also a good idea to update Windows. These actions often clear minor technical glitches and could even allow you to avoid reinstalling the Microsoft Store altogether. Even better, they are quick and easy to perform. Clear Windows Store cache. Windows 10 and 11 have a built-in Microsoft Store reset tool. It automatically clears the Microsoft Store cache and is the fastest way to fix unexpected problems. 1. Press Windows +R to open a Run dialog. 2. Type wsreset.x and press Enter. 3. A blank command prompt console window appears, and the Microsoft Store shows up immediately after. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Use the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter to scan and fix the Microsoft Store for problems. Like the Microsoft Store Reset tool, it's built into the operating system, so you don't have to download anything. 1. Right-click the Start button and select Settings. 2. Go to System, Troubleshoot, Other, Additional Troubleshooters. 3. Select Run next to Windows Store Apps. Repair Microsoft Store. Repair the Microsoft Store via the Apps and Features console in Windows to eliminate file corruption issues with the application. 1. Right-click the Start button and select Apps and Features. 2. Scroll down and select Microsoft Store, Advanced Options. 2. In Windows 11, select More 3 dots to unveil Advanced Options as a menu item. 3. Select Repair. Reset Microsoft Store. Reset the Microsoft Store to factory defaults to resolve problems that stem from a broken settings configuration. Prepare to sign back in with your Microsoft account after you do that. 1. Revisit the Apps and Features console. 2. Scroll down and select Microsoft Store, Advanced Options. 3. Select the Reset button. Update Microsoft Windows. Install the latest operating system updates through Windows Update to fix potential conflicts between Windows and the Microsoft Store. You can skip this and update Windows after reinstalling the Microsoft Store. 1. Open Settings. 2. Select Windows Update. 3. Select Check for Updates, download and install. Reinstall Microsoft Store app via PowerShell. If repairing or resetting the Microsoft Store did not help, it's time to delete the program and install it from scratch. Unlike other applications, you can't remove it via the Apps and Features console in Windows. Instead, you must use an elevated Windows PowerShell console for uninstallation and reinstallation. Note, if you have a standard Windows account, ask a user with administrative privileges to reinstall the Microsoft Store. 1. Right-click the Start button and select Windows PowerShell Terminal Admin. 1. Or type PowerShell into the Start menu and select Run as Administrator. 2. Copy and paste the following into the command line interpreter. Get-AppxPackage allusers Windows Store Remove-AppxPackage. Press Enter and wait until Windows PowerShell removes the Microsoft Store. 1. Shut down and reboot your computer. 2. Relaunch an elevated Windows PowerShell console and execute the command to reinstall the Microsoft Store. Get-AppxPackage allusers Microsoft. Windows Store, Foreach, Add-AppxPackage DisableDevelopmentMode Register, $_InstallLocation, AppXManifest.xml. Alternatively, reinstall the Microsoft Store and all store apps bundled with Windows. Only do that if the problem is severe and affects multiple applications. Execute the PowerShell commands below. Get-AppxPackage, Remove-AppxPackage. Get-AppxPackage allusers, Foreach, Add-AppxPackage DisableDevelopmentMode Register, $_InstallLocation, AppXManifest.xml.